How to add your location to your page on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your location to your page on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find pages, and here you will find game your page. Just click on it and then click about, and here you will find this one, address. Click on it and just add that. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.